Hello guys, so today I'm going to give you basic introduction of the basically language for to write inline assembly for inside your Solidity smart contract. So let's get started. This is just the basic introduction of the language. So here is my directory called Yul. Inside this is the okay. Let's get started. And yeah, so I'm opening my VS Code. It is opening, and you can see here is my Forge Foundry development tool. And let's start coding. So how can you start? Let's say this I just created the already file. You can see here the same file again yul.code, and here just let's start inside the license. Let's say it's MIT Fagma Solidity 0.8.26, and let's say contract introduction. Introduction to Yul, and let's take a variable, or let's take just a function will variable, and let's make it public, and we are not dealing with any state variable, so let's make it pure, and we are returning it just unt 256. And so let's start writing. Just take one more variable. Let's say unt 256 funded is equal to 10. Yeah, how can you write exactly the inside function? You have to just type assembly, and that's it. So here you can what you can do is if you want to declare a variable, you can just say let's just the column, and here you can say 11 like this. And if you want to change value of it, so you can just say x equal to 20. And what is this warning? Oh, I'm not returning it. Let's return it. Fund it. No semicolon, and all the errors have gone. And yeah, let's build it, or build, and boom, you can see here our compiler is successful, and this is how successful. It's just beginning. We are going to start entire course inside how you can deal with EVM stories and all this stuff. So thank you. Bye bye.